A spy, a hacker, and a magician walk into a bar, and each orders the happy hour drink. The cost per drink is $5. The total bill comes to $5. How is this possible? 3 identities for one person. I'm a former spy, still telling lies. I was born in New York City and earned my MBA from NYU, where I became faculty. I lived in a Manhattan ultra-luxury condo on the 45th floor and was also the chief financial officer of a management consulting firm. I traveled globally. The Fed recruited me to do side jobs for them whenever I traveled abroad. I used my own identity because it was the perfect cover. They spent an entire week teaching me how to lie, just in case I was caught. My entire work product was lies told and secrets concealed. I became a spy telling lies. Then one of my missions went sideways and I was forced to flee. This was the first time I ever felt fear. I needed some place where I could hide in plain sight, and in those days, tech hadn't advanced to the point where I could be found, especially given my counter-surveillance training as a spy. I chose California because I'd been there many times and loved it. I could easily reestablish myself in its financial community. I married here and we honeymooned in Big Sur. It took the government over a decade to call me. They wanted to make sure I wouldn't reveal any of the secrets I knew, and told me it would be very dangerous for me to write any nonfiction or even fiction under my real name. This time, I was totally terrified. I tried writing fiction about my adventures in corporate finance, but the stories felt flat. My wife reminded me that I should write what I know. So I started writing espionage techno-thrillers called the Spy's Lie series under the nom de plume D.S. Kane. These days, except for my writing, I no longer lie. But I'm a former spy, still telling lies.